If your garage looks like a car enthusiast's dream, you're definitely an Autogear fan. At Autogear Autobody Parts, we understand that the heart of any vehicle isn't just what's under the hood, it's every piece that makes your ride uniquely yours. From sleek, aerodynamic body kits to the nuts and bolts that hold your dreams together, we've got it all. Our catalog isn't just extensive, it's a treasure trove for auto repair professionals. Need a high-grade paint gun for that flawless finish? We've got it. Searching for precision sanders or bodywork hammers? Look no further. And let's not forget about our comprehensive range of cleaning materials to keep your vehicle looking spick and span inside and out. But here's the kicker. Every single order comes with free delivery across the United States. Yes, you heard that right. Whether you're ordering a single screw or a whole new dashboard setup, we deliver it to your doorstep without a dime on delivery. And because we value your craftsmanship, we offer special discounts that help you keep costs down while upping the quality of your projects. It's more than just parts. It's about powering your passion with every component you purchase. So, whether you're revamping a classic or tricking out a modern ride, make Autogear Autobody Parts your first pit stop. Why settle for stock when you can stand out? With Autogear, you're not just repairing cars, you're raising the bar in vehicle customization. Hop onto our website today and check out our latest deals. Transform your vehicle with Autogear's exclusive body parts and accessories. It's time to gear up with Autogear.